Joe Rogan, what's up, stud? If you miss this opportunity, you will be physically sick to your stomach, homeboy. I'm the greatest white athlete ever, and am physically blacker than Mike Tyson and Marvin Eastman. I have blazing hand speed that will render fuckers like you unconscious. Lights out, you lame. Jennifer said my violin skills have improved since I started snorting the clean white cure off her nutsack, tit. I think I'm getting another message from God. No, wait, it's just that bad meth I cooked last night that I smoked an hour ago. Fuck, you would figure I could at least do that, right? Irish Roddy, I hope you don't fly over here, because it would be for nothing. I won't show up, and will hide in the bushes until you leave, then give myself some oral sex, and pretend I'm my 20-year-old self again sucking off Fred Reva. So to all you motherfucker out there like Bonasaw, you can all go fuck yourselves, you lambs.